Alright, good morning guys. Today I've got some ice machine parts that I ordered a little while back for an ice machine I was working on, and it finally came in. Got a pump, float valve, water distributor. I got the trough somehow. I think that might not be the right part, but we're gonna find out. And later I got some door gaskets and sweep to put on a walk-in freezer. So probably gonna find a few other things to do, but yeah, that's what's going on today, so follow along. All right, here's that isomatic we were working on the other day. So I left the water off and just got to change out that pump and float and distributor. We'll see if it makes. We know it made ice the other day. It was just noisy as can be. So let's get this thing torn apart. So those parts match up, but as I suspected, trough, wrong trough. So I'll have to get that exchanged for the right one, but it'll work for today. So get these swapped out, clean it up a little, and get this customer some ice. So she was a little crusty. Alright, got the new pump installed. It is correct voltage, I did verify, and new float switch. So back in there, we're going to use the same trough for now, and yeah, I'm sure it's going to make ice. Alright, got all that back together, tightened up. Just fire this thing up, get some water. Won't be long now. Alright, compressor came on. We're getting cold. And it's much quieter. Yeah, the pump was whining like crazy before. Alright, see how long that takes. 7:07. Check our time. Alright, we just got a harvest call. It is 7:28. And yeah, we're gonna have ice. I'm gonna put this thing back together. And we've got ice. Alright, get on to the next call. I believe it's a reach-in refrigerator leaking water. Let's go check that out. Alright, so this is the reach-in they were talking about, and it has got no water dripping in it right now. It's cycled off. So let's take a look inside. So inside, no signs of dripping. It is a pass-through refrigerator, so possible they could have bumped the other door open and didn't catch it. But it's bone dry. I'm gonna check the other side. I can't get the top off because of the way they got it underneath this wall, but let's check the other side. Yeah, let's see how they did me here. Can't, I guess I could slide it off the other way, but I did verify this is the right refrigerator, and even the pan under the compressor is dry right now. There's a little bit of moisture right there. That might be a problem. Simple drain line. It's in there. The water drip out. Let me clean this out. Got some chunks out. Alright, get that back together. Was draining pretty good out of there. This color pipe is just discolored with the rust, but it's clear. So I think it was just a kink in there. It's dry in there right now. We're gonna let it ride like that and see how it goes. And let's get on to the next call. Alright, at the next call, these are just sweeps. I thought I had some gaskets, but no, even better, just sweeps. So, and got the Sweep Installer 2000. So let's get these started on. Alright, so here's our freezer door. And let's see, sweeps got some rips and cuts. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to do some trimming here. Looks like might be a little longer, but I'll get that thing pulled off. I'll just take it outside, cut that thing to size. There we go. Yeah. See, it's a little heat up. And real close. Alright, let's make it closer. So actually I have two. This one is for the walk-in, so the freezer sits inside the walk-in, so this one's nice. We'll get that one straightened out too. Alright, so you can see the ends are trimmed here. So I just got to notch those out the same. And cut some of this length off. So we are a little too long. That one's notched too. And I'm just going to use some snips here. And it's easy job. I thought I was doing gaskets. Those are kind of a pain sometimes, but it's just press right in. It's got the little barb fittings. Pretty easy. Alright, they look like twins. Get those notched out. Let's go see if this one fits. I marked this one because I would screw it up. Freezer. Alright. Looks like it's in there. Let's see if she closes. A little fold right there. Let's try that again. Doesn't want to sit 100%, but one more time. Yeah, I think this door hangs more on this side. So, yeah, good enough. All right, let's get that cooler on. All right, got that one cut, match. Slimy one. This one's got a little more reveal under the door, so I don't think it's going to reach all the way. Like I said, this door sits a lot higher, so not much I can do about that. The health department wanted these sweeps changed, but obviously I'm not going to lower the door or raise the floor. It is what it is. They got their sweeps. So. Alright, we'll conclude the refrigeration part of today, I hope. See what else we can get into.